Simplification of surds by using rationalized form, rationalizing the denominator. First one is 2 by under root 2. Now we are going to take the review of rationalization. This one we have done in last two lessons. First one is 2 by under root 2. As we know that by removing square root from the denominator we can rationalize. So we will multiply and divide with denominator under root 2 because only one of the term is there. And after simplification in numerator we have 2 into under root 2. And in denominator 2 into 2 4, and after taking square root 4 we will get 2. Now both first one in numerator 2 and in denominator we can remove, and under root 2 is the standard form of this question. Now we will start question number 2. Question number 2 is 9 by under root 3. Like question number 1, just we will multiply and divide by under root 3, which is denominator here. Under root 3 by under root 3. For rationalization we will take. Then we will start multiplication. In numerator there is 9 into under root 3, and in denominator under root 3 into under root 3 it will become under root 9, and square root of 9 is 3. For 9 and 3 both are divisible by 3, so after division process by 3 we will get 3 into under root 3 as standard form of question number 2. This is result of question number 2. Question number 3, now we will try 4 by under root 3 plus 1. Now there are two terms and both are in addition process. So we will change the sign and then we will multiply and divide with the same term. Reciprocal after taking conjugate and by changing the sign is under root 3 minus 1. By under root 3 minus 1 we have to multiply and also we will divide, because both value we will take in numerator and denominator. Now we are going to check that after multiplication of under root 3 plus 1 with under root 3 minus 1, what will be the standard form? Is it possible that we will be able to remove square root from the denominator or not? Here we have done simple multiplication. In middle term you may check that both are same with opposite sign, we can remove, and after removing finally we will get 3 minus 1 2. Only 2 will be the denominator after rationalization, and we can say for this one that this is rationalized form because we have removed square root. Now we are going to apply this one in the question. We will multiply with under root 3 minus 1 and also we will divide with the same number. In numerator we have to multiply 4 into under root 3, 4 into under root 3, and then 4 into negative 1, 4 into negative 1, 4. For denominator, as we have discussed, that solution for this one is 2, so we have to put 2. Now for 4 into under root 3 minus 4 by 2, after taking 2 common or after division process by 4 we will get 4, we will take common and then we will divide. For next one, again we have to change the sign of under root 2 minus 1 and it will become under root positive 2 plus 1. In numerator when we will take the product of under root 2 plus 3 with under root 2 plus 1, and in denominator after multiplication simply there will be a real number 2 minus 1 1. Under root 2 with positive sign will be removed by under root 2 with negative sign in denominator, and in numerator under root 2 into under root 2 it will become under root 4 and square root of 4 is 2. After simplification 2 plus 3 will become 5, and under root 2 with coefficient 1 and under root 2 with coefficient 3, when we will add it will become under root 4 into under root 2. 5 plus 4 into under root 2 is standard form of this question. Now there are 4 more questions for rationalization. First one is simple. Just we will multiply by under root 2 and also we will take division process. 8 into under root 2 by 2, because when we will take the product of under root 2 by under root 2, it will become 4 and square root of 4 is 2. And then we will cancel 8 by 2, it will become 4. For next one, we are going to divide and multiply by under root 3, and standard form is 5 into under root 3. So for third question, we have to change the sign and then we will multiply. 10 into under root 5 plus 10 into 3, 30 in denominator. If we want to multiply them by using identity, then 5 whole square minus 3 whole square. And if we are going to solve by simple multiplication, then middle term always will be removed, because both terms are same and their signs are different. 5 minus 9 is equal to 4. Negative 4 is the denominator for this question. Now if you want to take 10 common, and then you will divide by 4. And second way, that if 10 and 30 both are divisible by 4, then at once we will divide, and finally we will get 5 into under root 5 plus 15 by negative 2. Here we have cancelled 10 and 30 both by 4. Only in this case it is possible. If only 10 is divisible with the same number by 4, then we can't divide and before taking common. Next one, in numerator and denominator, for both one we have root. So in numerator when we will multiply, and also in denominator same terms are here, only the difference of sign. In numerator both are with same sign, so we have to add. Under root 5 plus under root 5 will become 2 under root 5. 5 with root we will use as a base, and in denominator under root 5 we will remove because both have opposite sign. This is standard form of last question.